Welcome. In this video I will show you how to backup and restore the settings for your Logitech G316 keyboard using G Hub software. So let's start with the backup. Now in order to perform a backup, we're gonna have to check our settings. Make sure that they are here within our G Hub application. Then close this application, and not just here but also in Task Manager. To open the Task Manager, have to right click the taskbar and go to the Task Manager. Now here we're gonna have to disable things like G Hub, right click, and task, LG Hub agent, the same thing, then the updater also, and this task, and Logic Game Launcher. Okay, so now once we have everything disabled, we're gonna have to open our File Explorer, go to our system disk, then go to users, your username. Then here you're gonna have to open the AppData. Now if you don't see this folder here, you're gonna have to change the folder visibility settings, which you can easily do by simply searching for it. Okay, so we have File Explorer options, which we can find using the Start menu. Go here, go to View tab, and make sure to hit this circle, Show Hidden Files, Folders, and Drives. Click Apply. Okay, now you're gonna see this AppData folder. Now here we're gonna have to go to the local folder and find the LG Hub. Okay, and here we'll have all the settings for our device. So what we have to do is right click, select copy, then let's create a folder, backup folder for them. So let's right click, select new folder, and let's call it settings. Now we're gonna have to go to this folder and paste all of these files that we copied. Okay, now let's grab this settings file using Control X, and let's drop it somewhere else, for example here in Documents. And now if we delete all of these files in the original AppData folder, which are our settings, and then we relaunch our G Hub application, the settings will be reset to defaults and we'll have no folders. So let's quickly skip the settings, and as you can see we have no profiles, no nothing. So now in order to restore these settings from the backup, we're gonna have to right click taskbar, go to Task Manager again, and once again disable all of these G Hub processes. Okay, seems like it. Now we're gonna have to go back to our File Explorer, go to our Documents, then go to our backup settings folder. We can copy these settings from here, and then go back to our AppData folder. So it's C disk, users, our user, AppData Local, and G Hub, LG Hub. Now we just have to paste all of these files in here and replace the files in destination folder. Now we can close this folder and relaunch the G Hub, and let's see what happens. And as you can see, the settings returned back to normal, and we have our profiles right here. So that's basically it. That's how you backup and restore your settings for your keyboard. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.